Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Seek a financial professional if you're a trader or anything like that, right? So check this out. Uphold, they posted on X a day ago. It says, here's your XRP report for the week. CME Group to launch XRP futures on May the 19th. That's tomorrow, guys. CME Group is set to launch XRP futures on May 19th pending regulatory approval. Says that this marks a major step toward institutional adoption of XRP, offering new tools for both hedging and investment strategies. Two contract sizes. Micro 2500 XRP is a contract, and then the standard is 50,000 XRP. Cash settled contracts tied to the CME CF XRP dollar reference rate, published daily at 4 p.m. London time. Interest in XRP and its underlying ledger has steadily increased as institutional and retail adoption grows, said Giovanni Vicioso, global head of crypto products at CME Group. CME joins a growing list of platforms supporting XRP with performance metrics showing surging institutional demand. It shows an average daily volume of 198K contracts, average open interest at 251,000 contracts, 21.8 billion notional, and SOL future saw Solana future saw 705 million notional traded since launching in March. All right, so it says, will CME's XRP futures finally bring the wave of institutional capital XRP has been waiting for? And is this the clearest sign yet that the market is ready to take XRP seriously? So it tells you to drop your take below, right? So that was a post from that. And our next piece of news comes from an post by Stellar Rippler. This is 5 hours ago. It says the U.S. Fed just quietly bought $43.6 billion in treasuries in just 4 days. This is called quantitative easing, when the Fed prints money to buy its own debt, injecting fresh liquidity into the system. All right, so in a previous video, we talked about the M2 money supply, the liquidity. So it says here, this is just confirmation. It says, in simple terms, the money printer isn't paused, it's warming up. And every time it turns on, assets like Bitcoin, XRP, and XLM don't just rise, they explode. The rocket fuel is here. The next leg up has begun. And as you can see, famous meme of Fed Chair Jerome Powell doing what he does best. He got that money printer whirring and going. So liquidity is coming to the markets. It's coming to risk off assets like XRP, XLM, and Bitcoin. So here we go.